Hello everyone, today we will discuss PT3 mathematics. Question number 1. Which figure below shows a pair of perpendicular lines? We know that when lines are perpendicular, they form an L shape. So out of these four lines, option D is in the form of L shape. So this L shaped lines are perpendicular. So option 4 is the correct answer. Question 2. What is the measure of angle shown below? As we can see that in protractor, as we move from 0 degree, the other leg of the angle is between 70 and 80 degrees. So it is 75 degrees. So the angle is increased from 0 degree to 75 degrees. So A is the correct option, that is 75 degrees. Question 3. Which of the following is greatest negative integer? So out of -100, -1, -9 and -20, we have to tell the greatest negative integer. So the greatest negative integer is that which has the smallest numerical value. So the correct answer is -1. So -1 is the largest among all these four integers. Other way to verify this is to plot. -1 comes here, -9 comes here, -20 comes here, and -100 comes here. If we plot on number line, we can see that all the numbers lie on the left side of -1. So -1 is the largest among these four integers. So B is the correct option. Question 4. The angle marked in the shape below is. Now we know that when an angle exceeds from L shape, then an angle is obtuse, and L shape is 90-degree shape, as we have discussed earlier. So here we can see that if we complete L from this line, so the angle shown exceeds L shape. When the angle shown is exceeding L shape, the angle is said to be obtuse. So B is the correct option. Question 5. What is the value of -21 plus 1? So it is -21 plus 1. Both signs are different, so we will subtract the bigger value and smaller value. So big value minus small value. So 21 minus 1 gives us 20. Now in the final answer, sign of big value, we will apply the sign of bigger value. So minus is the sign of 21. So our answer is -20. So C is the correct option. Question 6. The integer 5 units to the right of integer 1. As we look on the number line, the integer 5 units to the right will be. So if we move from 1 and move 5 units, so we will reach at 6. So 6 is the integer which is 5 units on the right hand side of integer 1. So answer A is correct. Question 7. In which of the following groups integers are arranged from smallest to largest? So we have 4 integers. If we plot 4 integers on number line, we have 0 here, -7, then -23 on the left, and 12 on the right. So as we can see on the number line, the correct order from smallest to largest is -23, then -7, then 0, and then 12. So D is the correct option. Question 8. Which among the following is the successor of -398? So we always find successor by adding 1 to the number. So if we add 1 to this number, we have -390 7. So B is the correct option. Question 9. What is the additive inverse of minus 48? Additive inverse means opposite. So opposite of minus 48 is plus 48. So A is the correct option. Question 10. Which of the following is true? Every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. As we know that on the number line we have 0 in the middle. On the right hand side we have positive integers, and on the left hand side of 0 we have negative integers. And as we move from left to right, the value increases. So every positive integer is larger than every negative integer is true, because positive is on right hand side. So this is true. 0 is greater than every positive integer. So we know that 0 is on the left hand side, so it cannot be greater than positive integers. So this is false. 0 is smaller than every negative integer. As 0 is on the right hand side of negative integers, so 0 is not smaller, so 0 is larger. So this is also false. Farther the number from 0 to the right, the smaller its value. It says that if we move from 0 to towards infinity, farther means you go on towards infinity, then the number becomes smaller. No, the numbers becomes larger. As 3 followed by 4, then 5, then 6, the number is getting larger. So this is also false. So correct option is A. Question 11. The solution of minus 7 plus of minus 8. Now we have plus of minus. It means minus. So this reduces to minus 7 minus 8, which gives answer minus 15. So A is the correct option. Question 12. Which of these will be same as minus 2 plus minus 5? So minus 2 plus of minus 5 means minus 2 minus 5. So D is the correct option. Question 13. A ball is positioned at minus 208, was shifted to minus 210 on the number line as shown below. That the ball was at minus 208 and it moved 2 places left. So when a number is moved towards left, it is taken as in minus. So minus 208 minus 2 will give you minus 210. So B is the correct option. Question 14. When moving from 9 to minus 4 on number line, the direction and the number of units we move is, as we have to move from 9 to 14, so how many jumps we will have to take? First of all, we have to move from right to left. So we have to move towards left. And how many units? So as we can see that from moving 9 to minus 4, we have to take 13 jumps towards left. So answer is 13 jumps towards left. So D is the correct option. Question 15. Divya's mother asked her to switch on the gas by turning the knob and leave it to sim. What is the angular measurement of Divya has to turn the knob to set it in the sim position? As we know that from on position to sim, Divya has come back to the same position. So the angle covered is 180 degree. So when you turn around, if you are moving east and you turn around towards west, so the angle covered is 180 degree. That is a straight line angle. So D is the correct option. Question 16. Bob was was facing south. When you face towards south, so this is the right and this is the left. He turned 90 degree towards right, so he has taken 90 degree towards right, and then make a 180 degree turn to the right. Now he makes 180 degree turn. So his position now is now in this direction. So which direction is this? He will be facing now the east direction. So the correct option is east. Question 17. How many faces does the figure has? As we can see that there are 4 triangular faces. So this is one face, the another triangle, the back one, third triangle, and this is fourth triangle. So these are the 4 triangles and one quadrilateral base, the base which is quadrilateral. So 4 triangular bases, one quadrilateral face. So 4 plus 1, 5 faces. So B is the correct option. Question 18. By what measure is the line M longer than the line N? So whenever we measure a line with the use of scale, the measurement is given by length of line is second number on scale minus first number on scale. So when you look at line M, the line M starts from 0 and goes till 9. So second number is 9 and first number is 0. So length of M is 9. Now let's talk about length of N. Line N length. It will be the second number minus first number. So the line N starts with is 2. So this is the first number and it goes till 7. So this is the second number. So 7 minus 2 gives us 5. So line N is 5 units. So how much is the line M longer than line N? So in order to find how much 9 centimeter is larger than 5 centimeter, you subtract them. So the answer is 4 centimeter. So C is the correct option. Question 19. When the arms of the angle are extended, how does it affect the measurement of the angle? So if you go on extending the arms of an angle, it does not matter how much you extend the arms, the angle remains the same. So the answer is C, that the angle remains the same. Question 20. Which one of the following triangles is never possible? Here in option B you can see that a right equilateral triangle is mentioned. If it is a right triangle, it must have a 90 degree angle. But if it is an equilateral triangle, then all angles are 60 degree. So this is a contradiction, because all angles should be 60 degree and it is saying a right equilateral triangle. That means it also has 90 degree angle, which is not possible. So B is the correct option. Question 21. Which figure is formed when all sides of a parallelogram are made equal and interior angles are right angle? We know that square is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and all angles are of 90 degree. So A, square, is the correct option. Question 22. A line segment PQ is 8.2 centimeter. Is bisected at O. Bisected means it is divided into 2 equal halves. So what is the value of OP? So OP will be half of 8.2. So half of 8.2 is 4.1. So answer is B, 4.1 centimeter. Question 23. Amulya and Amar visited two places A and B in Kashmir and recorded the temperatures on a particular day as -4 degrees Celsius at A and -1 degree Celsius at B. Which of the following is true? We know that whenever the temperature becomes lower in negative, that means whenever it moves from right to left on number line, it start becoming more cooler. So higher the negative value, higher the negative temperature, the more cooler it becomes. So if you go on reaching more higher negative values, higher the negative value, more cooler is the temperature. So at A it is -4 degrees Celsius, so definitely A is more cooler than B. So A is the correct option. Question 24. Sarah is moving a token on the number line as shown below. Her token is at position as shown in the figure, which is currently at 4. She moves the token 3 units in the direction away from 0. As we know that to move away from 0, we have to move towards right from position 4. If we move towards left, we will go towards 0. So to move away from 0, Sarah moved 3 units away. So it reaches now at 7, because 3 jumps from 4 towards right takes it to 7. Now then again by 9 units in the opposite direction. Now she has moved in right direction, now she moves 9 units in the opposite direction, that means towards left. So from 7 she takes 9 steps, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now from 7 she took 9 steps backwards to reach -2. So her position will now be at -2. So C is the correct option. Question 25. A shopkeeper makes a profit of rupees 3000. As we know that profit is taken as positive, so we write plus 3000, and then a loss of rupees 1500 in February. So in February it is the loss, so loss is written in negative. Profit is positive, loss is negative. So B is the correct option. Question 26. The temperature at midnight on a cold winter night is -2. From here, 12 hours later, the temperature jumps to 9 degrees Celsius. Jumps by 9 degrees Celsius. That means from -2, it takes 9 jumps in the right direction, because the temperature is increased. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So after 9 jumps, the temperature will be 7 degrees Celsius. So B is the correct option. Question 27. A greengrocer makes a profit of rupees 47. As it is profit, so it is written as plus 47 on Monday. A loss of rupees 12 on Tuesday. As it is loss, so it is written as -12. And a loss of rupees -8 on Wednesday. So again it is loss, so it is written in minus. Find the net profit. So calculating the net value, 47 minus 12 gives us 35, and 35 minus 8 gives us 27. As our final answer is plus, so we registered a profit of rupees 27. So B is the correct option. Question 28. Samir cuts the paper shape shown in in a straight line from point x to y. So he cuts by making a straight line from x to y. What two shapes Samir will have after he cuts the paper? Now as we can see that this is a quadrilateral with opposite sides equal and parallel. So this is a rectangle and this is a polygon with three sides known as triangle. So Samir obtained a rectangle and a triangle. So C is the correct option. Question 29. In a triangle XYZ, angle X is 41 degree, angle Y is 59 degree and angle Z is 80 degree. All the angles are less than 90 degree. When all the angles of a triangle are less than 90 degree, then an angle is called acute angled triangle. Then the triangle is called acute angled triangle. So C is the correct option. Question 30. Nandini draws a square and remarks that this is a regular polygon. Why do you think Nandini calls this a figure a regular polygon? We know that a figure is called a regular polygon when all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. So out of these four options, B option is correct because it says all the sides of regular polygon are equal in length and all angles measure the same. So B is the correct answer. Bonus question, question number 1. Rahul thinks of an integer between minus 30 and minus 20. Let Rahul thinks of minus 25. He subtracts, so applying minus sign, another integer from this and gets a positive answer. Now if we subtract minus 34 from 25, this calculation will be minus 25 plus 35. Answer is plus 10. If we subtract minus 17, the calculation is minus 25 plus 17. The answer is minus 8. If we subtract 37 from minus 25, the answer is minus 62. And if we subtract 34 from minus 25, the answer is minus 59. So the only positive answer is in option A. So A is the correct option. Bonus question 2. A cube has 6 faces. 2 cubes are joined together to form a solid like one shown in the figure. Now this is one solid made by joining 2 cubes. So when 2 cubes are joined, it forms a cuboid. And we know that a cuboid has 6 faces. So A is the correct option. Question 3. Which one of these numbers marked on the number line is 50 less than minus 100? So 50 less than minus 100 means minus 100 minus 50. So the answer is minus 150. We have to locate minus 150. So it must be between minus 100 and minus 200. So Q must be minus 150. So B is the correct option. Bonus question 4. What is the measure of angle AOB? We know that the full angle is 134 degree. Now out of this full angle, we have a right angle. This is the right angle. It is L-shaped angle. So we can very much look at the L shape. So this is 90. And how much more it needs to become 134? So 90 plus how much more angle? That means 90 plus angle AOB is 134. How much more degrees are required in 90 to make it 134? It is 44 degree. When we add 90 to 44, we get 134. So the angle given to us is a combination of 90 degree and 44 degree combined to make 134 degree. So B is the correct option. Which of the following is a square? We know that square is a polygon in which all sides are equal and all angles are of 90 degree. So in the D shape we can see that all sides are equal in length and all the angles are L-shaped angles, that means 90 degree angles. So only D is the right figure. So C, that is only D, C option is correct. Alright students, thank you very much for patiently listening. These were the questions from PT3 Mathematics. Stay tuned for more videos.